Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we speak about the 5 best beginner luxury handbags. So if I would start over again with like 0 designer handbags, these 5 designer handbags I would recommend to start with. So I would say let's get into it. First things first, how to choose the best designer handbag. Not all designer bags are created equal, as evident based on the above. Some are best for evening gatherings, others are ideal for the office or commuting, running errands, and additional options are useful for weekend activities or travel. So when you start with purchasing a designer luxury handbag, then think about your day-to-day life. For what do you need your bag? Is it for work? Is it for your lifestyle? This is very important before purchasing any designer handbags, because you want to use your handbag, you want to reach for it every day and not just hanging there in your closet. So I selected 5 designer handbags to start with, and it's like a mix from evening, day, running errands and so on. So I will start with the first designer handbag, a beach basket handbag. For example, there are beautiful ones from Loewe or from Jacquemus. Also, they have different colors available, from the classic beige, light brown, pink and navy. But I would recommend you to go with the classic beige one if it's your first one, because this one you can really wear to every outfit. It's a hand-woven basket bag with rubber-sized leather details, soft construction, long crossbody strap, and you have also a top handle. It's ideal to wear this bag in different kind of styles, a crossbody style or with the top handle. You're good to go. Moving on to the second designer handbag. This one is more for work or running errands. It is a tote bag. A tote bag has the ideal size to carry around your things, whatever you need. There are medium sizes, mini sizes and large sizes. So you have to see what size you need, but usually I definitely would go for the medium size. There are beautiful tote bags, for example from Marc Jacobs, and they are a good start. It's a big bag. It's a bigger bag, which you can also wear to work or when you run errands. There are many different colors and sizes available. Moving on to the third handbag, I'm introducing you to the Saint Laurent evening bag, Cassandre Funda. This one is really like a classicer. It is so beautiful and timeless, and you can wear this for many years. You can wear this handbag crossbody or also just with the top handle over your shoulders. You can wear this bag as crossbody bag, evening clutch or over the shoulder casually. It's a very nice and timeless bag and super versatile. This is such a classic handbag and so versatile. I love it that you can wear this one handbag in so many different ways. Crossbody, over the shoulders or even as a clutch. Number 4 is the Prada edition, the Prada re-edition 2000 Hobo. This is a very cool bag. It is not such a big bag, but has a quite nice size also for the day, and you can carry this from day to the afternoon, evening. And I think this is a beautiful bag, a classic bag you can always wear. The fabric, it is a nylon fabric. I would choose the color black, because with black you can wear this handbag to like all the outfits you have in your wardrobe. It is such a cute handbag and also has this quite luxury kind of style, because the logo is not too huge. It's tiny there, yes, you know it's Prada, but it's not screaming into your face. So this one is also one of my favorite handbags and was even one of my first luxury handbags, which I got like 20 years ago, the nylon Prada bag. So, and I still have it until today. Coming to the last designer handbag I'm introducing you today, it is from Burberry. I think Burberry sometimes is a little bit underrated, but Burberry has also amazing and high quality handbags and perfect to start with. Burberry's Kilt shoulder bag is great for dressing up or down thanks to the chunky chain strap. Double up the chain strap for a shorter drop. Again, with this Burberry handbag, you really don't know from which designer it is because it doesn't scream into your face. And what I also love about this handbag is this gold chunky strap. Which it makes it a little bit more luxurious, this handbag, and also a handbag which you can carry from the afternoon to the evening because it is like classic but still chic enough to carry it also for a cocktail evening or for a dinner. So let me know in the comments down below, is there a handbag you are eyeing to get? How did you like my 5 beginner luxury handbags? I would love to hear your comments, and also maybe list some more down below. I would love to hear what do you think of a beginner handbag for yourself. Give this video a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I speak to you in my next video. Ciao!